The third rock, the blue marble, Earth, home. Every person, place, or thing we know, everything we do, every memory we make, it's here on this pale blue dot. It's just one rocky planet in one solar system in one galaxy among billions. Even as we explore space, we study our home planet. We see it like no one else, an expansive ecosystem. The vegetation, the air, the water, the ice. Our data improves the way we grow food and how we manage the land we cultivate. NASA has over 20 satellites, measuring the height of oceans and inland waters, clouds and precipitation, carbon dioxide, and much more. For decades, our data has tracked how all these Earth systems interact. From above, we see the connections. Cities transition into farmlands. Tributaries flow into rivers, into the sea. Winds move clouds around the planet. Beyond these observations, NASA's ability to model and anticipate how the planet is changing helps communities around the world prepare. We see our changing planet. Hurricanes, volcanoes, fires, and we see the impacts of humans, melting ice, rising temperatures. Earth's climate has changed and is still changing. Our data gives us the understanding to adapt and to protect our home planet in new ways. Our electric flight technologies will reduce fuel and save energy. We will make cleaner air travel possible. By understanding our changing world, we improve lives and safeguard our future. The future of our little rock in the universe, our Earth, our home.
Hello everyone, thank you for joining. We really are live. And I'm sorry, I'm not sure how many people have stayed. Technical difficulties, these things happen when we go live, and it took us a while to figure it out, but we are here. So welcome everyone. My name is Heather, I'm the fragrance buyer for Hudson Bay Company, and we have a really fun live for you today. For those of you that stayed, no matter how much testing, it's just never enough. But we're celebrating Earth Day today, and in collaboration with the Mugler brand, we're going to invite a very special guest, my friend David Burnell, all the way from Paris, to talk about the Mugler brand. He's the International Training Director, so we're going to welcome David, and hopefully he can join. We'll just give him a minute to join. So David... We're waiting for David to join. So hopefully everyone is feeling good and healthy and taking a break from whatever they're doing at home. So we'll just give David a few more moments to join. We had to do some alternate ways of coming live to you today. Just give him a few more seconds. So, let me tell you what I love about Mugler. I've, been working with the brand for many, many years. It's one of my favorite brands of all time. It's beautiful, it's stunning, it's different, it's unique. It's been around for many, many years, but it's still a very, very popular brand. And I'm sure we have lots of Mugler addicts with us today. That love the brand just as much as I do. They say once you try Mugler, you never want to try anything else because it becomes your signature. And some people love Mugler; they'll just wear only Angel. But some people love Angel, Alien, all the Mugler brands. So it is very unique, and we love it at Hudson's Bay. We've been developing the brand for many, many years, and we love it. So we hope all of you are addicts. Let me know where we have everyone tuning in from today across the country. I know we're shut down in Ontario. We can't do much, so I'm sure you're all maybe sitting in front of your computer, so hopefully tuning in to us today. I know it's not very fun, but hopefully we're going to get over this lockdown in Ontario real soon. And hopefully we'll see David soon. I think he's joining us momentarily. David!
Hi!
You are there.
I'm here.
Hello. We're happy to have you.
How you doing? Hello. Bonjour, Heather. Bonjour, Heather. Bonjour, and hello to all the Hansen Bay and Montreal community there in Canada. I'm so happy to be virtually here with you and to celebrate that Earth Day. So let's go, because I can't wait to share with you all what the movie brand have and do to contribute to a more sustainable planet.
David, you know what? It's so nice to see you. This is our first live event, so boy, it was a challenge. But we are here. So we just want to make sure this is a little fun, a little bit educational, and hoping we can give you a break from your day. So before we get into it, I'm just going to take a very quick moment to mention we have two beautiful luxury packages that we will give away today to two lucky winners. So please stay tuned if you can make it through to the end. And those of you who submitted questions over the last few days, we will be sure to answer those towards the end of the segment, so please stay tuned for that as well. So David, again, thank you so much. Especially today, we're celebrating Earth Day. So we're so glad that you're here to answer some questions for us. Even though we launched Angel over 25 years ago, Angel is still one of our top 5 brands, our selling brands within our portfolio. And we have very loyal fans. We have a very big community in Canada. So we're so glad that you're here today to share a little bit more about the Mugler brand with our audience today.
That's no surprise for me, Heather, because Hansen Bay has some of the best Mugler in-store experiences. I love coming to Canada and seeing the engagement and the passion of all the beauty advisors that you have there. You mentioned as well the opportunity that I have as well to meet some of the brand acts of the house of Mugler. In fact, last time I was in Canada, I was invited to participate in an event around Les Exceptions, our niche collection, and it was in La Baie, Montreal. So I'm sure that maybe some of the addicts that came to visit me that day, maybe they are connected here today with us. So if you are there and you remember me, hello to all of you.
We certainly, we miss our in-store special events, that is for sure. And I'm sure our Angel customers do as well. And I really hope we can get back to pampering our clients really soon. So let's dive right into it. Our customers want to know more about the Mugler brand in general, the unique fragrances. So David, let's start by talking about the Mugler brand in general, for some of our fans that may be discovering Mugler for the very first time.
Sure, but let's make a small introduction about Mugler. So for those who do know very well the brand, Mugler is overall a very iconic fashion and fragrance brand, and very well known for its strong and very recognizable cutting-edge silhouettes, as well as for the extraordinary additive fragrances, and of course for being the pioneer of sustainable luxury fragrances. Mugler is a fantastic house. It's so fun, and in Mugler we see the brand as a huge experimental laboratory where we love to push the limits of creativity. We love to go further and beyond innovation, and sometimes even unset the established codes. I say that sometimes we say that we have a kind of a troublemaker spirit. We are real fearless, and in fashion we are just living an amazing adventure over the past 2 years under the television of the new creative director, Casey Catwalada. So Mugler fashion has become more desirable than ever. The brand has become a real magnet for celebrities who approach us to dress them for tours, for music videos, for films, for the red carpet. So it's incredible. I've been working for the brand for so many years. I have never seen so many celebrities working for us. So that's why this year the British Vogue has recently named Mugler the ultimate pop star brand 2020. Wow. And we are very proud of it.
Amazing. So, and you know what, the brand is truly unique. And I had the privilege of touring the Mugler the fashion house in Paris a few years back, and got a glimpse of the behind the scenes work in progress, the sketches, the fabrics, the pieces of the collections taking shape. It is truly fascinating. And it's understandable why the brand has such a celebrity following, like Kim Kardashian and Tyra Banks, to name a few. And we're seeing Mugler all over the red carpet, and for sure all over social media these days.
Yeah, that's true. And I personally think that today celebrities what are looking for is for singularity and for recognition. And that's something that the Mugler house is doing today and bringing to them. Because Mugler, we really make products that empower our clothes, our fragrances, transform you, make you feel really invincible, make you believe in your dream. So you're right. Today we're dressing celebrities like Beyoncé, Miley Cyrus, Dua Lipa, even what's the name of Ariana Grande as well, Lady Gaga, and just to mention a few. And that's cool. It's so in line with the Mugler DNA. When we thought about the Mugler brand, we thought about a brand for who the real world is not enough. For Mugler lives a real show. So at the end, it's true that wearing your clothes, wearing your fragrances, you really carry drama.
Right, and you know what? I'm going to say the real world we're living in today is a bit too much right now, but talking about Mugler, it is a constant show. From the brilliant colors to the original unique bottles, the bold fragrances, and nothing about the brand is subtle, and that's why we love it so much. But let's talk about what's really important today. David, can you tell us a little bit more about Mugler and the fragrances and the sustainability approach? And I believe Angel was one of the first perfumes that had the refilling concept. Am I right?
Of course, you are right, Heather. Since 1992, Mugler has been the pioneer in the sustainable approach to luxury fragrances. That's very important. Angel was revolutionary. Let me show you here. Angel was a real revolution in the world of fragrances, and not only because it was the first refillable perfume, but also because it was the first gourmand. It was the first star-shaped bottle, and you know what? It was a real shock in the market. And do you know why Mugler actually wanted to design a refillable bottle for Angel?
I do. But
I do, but let me explain you the story. The story behind is that the bottle was so expensive and so beautiful that Cherry decided to make it refillable and precious like a jewel, so that consumer could keep it forever. Because it's true that no one wants to throw away such a luxurious bottle and beautiful piece of art, right? So it was revolutionary, and at the same time, Mugler created the fountain. And the inspiration for the fountain was generally came from the Asian tradition from 18th century in France. So actually, it was a mixing between the very futuristic vision of the brand, but at the same time the tradition of the perfume culture in France. So yeah, today after 30 years, we can say that Mugler is clearly the pioneer of sustainable luxury. That's for sure.
Wow. So Mugler was the first in many things, and the bottle truly is stunning. And you're right. Who would want to throw away such a beautiful bottle? So in fact, we have our Mugler fountains in all of our Hudson's Bay stores. We love the refilling concept here in Canada. However, I'm not sure all of our customers know the true impact from refilling your bottle.
Okay, but let me share with you some figures about the refilling action in Mugler. And because today we're celebrating the Earth Day, it's good to remember that we are all concerned about saving the planet. And refilling is a very nice way to act and make a positive difference and give a positive impact to the world and to the planet. So obviously, since Angel was launched in 1992, we give the consumer the possibility to come to the point of sale and refill the bottle. Following Angel came Alien, and with Alien, we also give the opportunity as well to refill the bottle again and again and again. And our last launch was Aura, and with Aura as well, we give our consumer this opportunity to refill. So you can come to the point of sale, you can go to the Hansen Bay and refill as many times as you want. And you know what? Do you know how many bottles are refilled in the world per day?
How many?
Well, somewhere in the world there is one bottle of Mugler refilled every 20 seconds. So that's amazing. It means around 3,684 bottles that are reused every day. And let me repeat the figure because it's important. 3,684 bottles reused each day. So that is an incredible saving for the planet. But if you want to get the big picture, but think about 383 tons of glass reduced a year when you are refilling with a Mugler bottle. And to make it simple for somebody that may have at home a 50 ml of Angel, for example, when you refill 50 ml of Angel, but that allows you to use 53% less plastic, 53% less cardboard, and 49% less glass. So really amazing. But that's not all. We still have a little surprise about that sustainable approach of the Mugler house. In 2019, we have reinvented the Mugler fountain. And at that time, we have been developed the fountain using what we call an eco-design approach that is inspiring the circular economy. That means that each part of the fountain can be removed and replaced. And when we do that, but that allows us to reuse the pieces. And rather than manufacturing a new whole fountain when something is missing or broken, you just have to order a piece and you can reuse the whole fountain. Isn't it incredible?
It's amazing.
It's wonderful. And last but not least, of course, refilling the eco-design approach is great, but it's not only a great gesture for the planet. Refilling is as well a great gesture for your economy because it allows you to increase savings. So, in average, when you refill your angel hand milk, you're saving up to 30%. I think I'm wrong that in Canada it's around 55 Canadian dollars.
It is.
It is?
Yeah,
Okay.
it is. That's amazing. So, and honestly, who doesn't want to save a little bit of money while also keeping those important, purposeful details in mind? So I want to take a moment right now just to mention the incredible gift with purchase that we have on thebay.com. It'll give our clients a full Mugler experience. So with any purchase of Mugler on thebay.com, you'll receive this life-size, beautiful pouch with many little deluxe miniatures from Angel, from Alien, the Deluxe Mini, the lotions, the shower gel, so cute. And this adorable little travel spray, which is a perfect little addition to your purse spray. You can refill it from any of the Mugler fountains and carry it with you on the go. So it's a perfect little item. And then further to the great gift with purchases, I want to announce our first prize that we have to offer today to those of you who stayed with us. The first person to